So hey guys, this is Unique YouTube channel, and today I'll be posting Granny Chapter 2 on this channel. I wanted to post a new content on this channel, so I'll be playing this horror game. I've tried it many times and I'm quite familiar to it, and since it's my first time trying, so I'll be doing in easy mode. So let's begin. Okay, it's day one, and I think I will try to do helicopter escape, since most of the people think it is the best escape among all other escapes, which are boat and electric door escape. Okay, I've woken up. Let's go upstairs. Is there anything in this drawer? Oh, duct tape. Oh no, Grandpa. What's wrong with you? Okay. Oh, Granny. Oh, I have to do something quick. Stun gun, shotgun, anything, please. For God's sake. Is there anything here? Oh, stun gun. Oh my gosh. Thank God. Thank God. Yeah. Granny's gone now for 2 minutes. You know, when I use stun gun, there's a little bit, it's not benefit to use, because if I had used shotgun, the time the granny will pass out would be 2 minutes and 30 seconds, but it's okay. Oh, my stun gun ammo, please give me that. What's wrong with you? Oh, finally got it. Give me your security key. Okay, let's go to security room. Oh, here's a piece of picture, so let's take it and drop it in the upstairs. Okay, drop. Is there anything here? No, I don't need it. Is there anything here? Oh, weapon key. Okay, yeah, I really need it. Okay. Oh, what is this feature? Oh, I don't like this feature quite. Okay, whatever. Okay, what's in here? Boat key, I don't need it. Okay, let's open this. Please, is there anything here? Oh, helicopter key. I really need it. Oh my god, I think this is gonna be the great escape of all. Okay, here's a piece of picture. Let's drop shotgun and take the piece of picture. Okay, everything is going smoothly till now. Okay, we've got 2 pieces of picture, and we need 1 more piece of picture, right? Yeah. Okay, we're going to drop everything here, because it'll be easy. Okay, here is glass views, which I need for helicopter escape, so I'm gonna drop it 2 on the upstairs. Okay, damn, what is this with it? I really don't get it. I really don't like it, like, for real. I really don't like it. Okay, let's drop duct tape 2, and boom. Okay, let's go for shotgun. Granny and Grandpa are probably woken up till now. Okay, shotgun. Okay, Granny, Grandpa, where are you? Oh, here you are. Oh, gratitude. Bye bye. Okay, let's hurry up. Okay, is there anything here? No. Okay, what is wrong? Okay, let's take helicopter key. I've unlocked the door. Yes. Okay. I think we only need gasoline can. Yeah, gasoline can is all what we need, I think. Okay. And the piece of picture, let's take it. There was a piece of picture left too. Okay, down. Let's search for gasoline can. Sometimes I would like gasoline can could be found in the kitchen, but today wasn't my luck. Okay, what? I don't know why my phone is just not helping me. Okay, let's take wrench and yeah. Okay, I think this what do we say here? What do we say here? Let's just. Oh my god, you're creepy. You're really creepy. You know what you deserve is to be your Slendrina. Mom, I guess. Okay. Granny and Grandpa, where are you? Why can't you be here when I need you the most? Okay, I think Grandpa is. Oh no, I dropped it in the wrong place. Oh shit. No. I couldn't finish it in day one. Everything was going so freaking smoothly. Like everything. I only need a gasoline. Oh my god. The dog, or what do we say? Let's just say him. The pet. Okay. I think he has gone up since I died. Okay. He has woken up, I guess. Let's take ammos. I'm making a sound, Granny. Where are you? Where are you, Granny? Where are you, Granny? Granny, Granny. Where are you, Granny? Where are you? Why are you not coming? My god. Huh? What's going on? My brain is not braining right now. Oh my gosh. Where are this grandpa and granny? Stupid. Okay. Let's just go down separately. They are here. Okay. You know, if you make noise by this ways, even grandpa can hear the sound. I don't know, but whenever I drop this vase, grandpa always comes. So I don't know. Yeah, I told you, right? Okay, come, grandpa. Where is Granny? Like, I'm waiting for her. It's been a while. Oh, there she is. Boom. Okay. Yeah, I had one pump left. So, boom. Okay. What does it have? A safe key? Okay. Yeah, I think gasoline could be there. Okay. Open. Yes, it's gasoline can. And yes. Okay, we've got everything that we need for helicopter escape. Okay. Okay. Drop. We have everything, right? Yes. We have everything. Yep. Okay, let's take shotgun. Okay, shotgun. Where is the shotgun? Okay, there it is. It's almost time to say goodbye to this creepy haunted house. But you know, to be real honest, I don't find it that much haunted. Like, yeah, even kids can play it. Just it's not that scary. Sometimes it can be scary when Granny and Grandpa give some scare. Except for that, it isn't scary at all. But yeah, I love to play this game. I really do enjoy playing this game. Okay, let's take shotgun. All three pictures have been placed. Ammos. Let's take ammos. Okay. Boom, no, wrong. Yes. Okay, two ammos. No. Yes. Finally. Okay. Boom. Yay. I love to take out a lot of ammos from there. I don't know why, but I find it pretty nice. Okay, glass fuse. We're almost there. You know what? I would have completed this in day one, but unfortunately, because of my stupid little mistake, I died, and then I had to complete this in day two, but it's fine. It's totally fine. Okay. The fuel is loaded. We need duct tape now. Duct tape. No helicopter key. Duct tape. Duct tape. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. We're escaping from Granny and Grandpa's house. Oh my god. Okay. Where are you, Granny? Where are you, Grandpa? I'm waiting for you to come. I want to say goodbye to you. Where are you? Okay. Okay. Yes. Bye, Granny. Bye, Grandpa. I'll miss you. Yes. Okay. This was all. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I tried new content, and if you like this content, I'll keep continuing it. And there are other two escapes, sport and electric door escape, which I'll probably doing next video, and after completing all those skills, I'll try to doing normal difficulty and then hard, and I'll just keep adding more difficulties. And that's all for today. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to all of your friends. Bye bye.